Alrighty guys, we're here at Menards, here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. This is a brand new Otis. And here it is. Come on, open. Ah yes, new lanterns too. That's right, it's another series, newer series 4 too. Well, for a brand new elevator that's not been a month and a half old, this is definitely up there in old Menards quality. Well, that sounds terrible. Oh, Menards. Ah, yes, the Kingle. Thank you. Get the new adverts. Ow. This store opened on May 7th of 2024. So it's almost 2 months old. Plus this is also the furthest southernmost Menards store I've been to. We're pretty close to Tennessee actually, which is kind of surprising. You heard that. Okay, push on. Very janky. Very janky COP. Ow. Just a piece of junk. Nice, look at that. Nice cab. Not too shabby. There was the elevator. It's definitely old Menards elevator. But yeah, this is the nice new store. Come check it out while you're in Bowling Green. Robot just doing its thing. But yeah, anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.